And go ahead and show you what it looks like. It's this round disc. It comes with a carrying handle that's actually bolted in on both sides of the handle. You can tighten it with the buckle, and it also has Velcro. Now to open the stool, you put your fingers in the top, kind of like a bowling ball but with minus one finger. Put your fingers in the bottom and pull. And it locks into place. And this is its full size height. I'll go ahead and sit down on it. I can even pick up my feet. It's holding all 205 pounds of me. Also, it doesn't have to stay at this height. You can put your fingers in, twist, adjust the height, and let it lock into place. And now you've got an adjustable stepping stool. Go ahead and test this. Standing up on it, shaking it, stays in place. And when I'm finished,